Hey everybody, and welcome back to another episode of Project 944. Today's a little bit different because we're going to go pick up a car today. Another new car. My dad and I are buying this together to kind of fix up. I'm going to kind of keep it a mystery till we go and pick it up, but as of right now, we just got to grab the stuff for the trailer, grab the trailer, and head out. So let's do it. Alright, so I got the car, it's here. I'm going to pull the truck forward and show everybody what it is. Okay, so as we showed, this is it. It's a 2002 Subaru Outback. It is the wagon. I had a sedan back in college and actually really enjoyed it. This one, I got it for steel. It's got, let's see, 181,000 miles on it, which, I mean, it's quite a few, but for an old Subaru, that's really not too bad. It's got a couple little issues here and there, but it's not bad. Basically, I bought this thing, my dad and I bought it together, and we're going to kind of just work on it, fix it up a little bit. Big issues, it's got a couple of little electrical gremlins to it. The headlights do not work. The high beams work, the fog lights work, but the low beams do not. And also the daytime running lights do not work. Also, the brake lights do not work. The running lights in the back work, but not the brake lights, which I threw my scan tool on there, and it said it gave a code for the brake light switch, so it's a good chance that's it. Also, it's thrown a code for the oxygen sensor, not a big deal, and it's the power steering feels like it's starting to go out, but again, power steering pump's not a big deal either. So really, those are the three main issues, and we got this thing for a steal. My dad and I, we split half, 50-50, and we got it for $1,200. So really, it's a heck of a steal. I mean, the car is pretty well rust free, and from the little test drive I took it on earlier, I mean, everything seems to run right, work right. I know head gaskets are a big deal on these cars. I had to redo them on my old sedan I had, and that was actually done 20,000 miles ago, along with the timing belt, water pump, spark plugs. So really, I mean, we just fixed these couple little issues, and this car should be good to go for another 60,000, 70,000 miles, really. I've got a full history from the last two owners, which is also really nice. But kind of as we go along, we're going to do a quick video series on this. We're going to just kind of follow along with the diagnosing of all the problems and the fixing solution, all the solutions to those, fixing them, and we'll see what we do with the car from there. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, let me know. If you have any suggestions on if you've ever heard any headlight issues or the brake light switch issues, let me know. If you like the video, give it a like. If you dislike the video, dislike it. Let me know why. If you want to subscribe, please hit the red subscribe button, and have a good day, guys.